Hi, this is a short video to show you how to add a customer account and see what your customers have access to in Crik-IT. Once you log in, click on the Tools tab, then under Maintain Other User Info, click on Add Portal User. Under Relationship, select Customer. Crik-IT will display a list of your customers to choose from. Select one and fill out the requested information. If you are working with one of your customers during this evaluation, you can use your customer's email address. However, if you want to go through the process as though you are the customer, make sure to use your own email address. Click on Create User to finalize the process. You will then receive 2 emails from Crik-IT. One of the emails is a Welcome to our portal email. The other contains a link to set up a password. The link to set up the password will expire in 24 hours if unused. What your customer's portal displays is highly customizable and can be configured in your own Crik-IT portal in the Tools tab in Maintain Permissions. Select the user and check or uncheck the various checkboxes in different sections. Each of your customers only sees information pertaining to them and only information you choose to make available to them. Note that Crik-IT has different options on how you can limit the items or services a customer can purchase from you. If you would like more information on this, email us at support@crik-it.com or set up a call using the link in the description box below. If you want your customers to use Crik-IT mainly for order entry, configure the Orders Entered in Portal page to be the customer's landing page once they log in. Allowing your customers to place orders directly takes the order entry burden off your staff and yourself. If you prefer your customers to land on a more informational page, configure the dashboard as the landing page. Make sure to log out of your Crik-IT portal before setting up a password for your customer account, since Crik-IT does not allow someone to be logged into Crik-IT with 2 usernames at the same time on the same browser. As you can see here, there is a management password and a staff password. This is because Crik-IT sets up 2 usernames for a customer. The staff portal is limited, as staff users cannot see costs of how much a customer currently owes you, as well as other sensitive information. Click on Save Changes and log into Crik-IT with the username provided to you in the email and the password you've just created. Thank you for watching this short video on how to add a customer account and see what your customers have access to in Crik-IT. Giving us a call will save you lots of time. Tell us what your business needs and we'll let you know if Crik-IT is the right fit for you.